Aro sob manike vaccination noloile tangkha nadibo salary nadibo goto itu olop biya hoishone ki amar babna to manu organization ke hi tumi gan khara kurbi tumi gani ami gan la voice kurbi aro ami gan naam biya pabo aro apni gan chupchap thakibo itu bhal nai to I would appreciate the government colleges. They are doing very well, I would say, compared to the government schools. See, till now, yes, below the age of 18 they have not mentioned anything.
Jamian Lode, Dr. Andrew Ahoto, Tailode Ase, Naglin Diviaji Tailode, Twitter topic, Lugina Kota Gurbulese, topic to Kiese Gulido, Itia, government bra, order issue granishna, itu government servants can tan vaccination nagriledo, tan la salary withhold tira kibo guna itu ekta, aro ekta do ledo school resume grala tebra Kota Gurbulese. To Ahibi Amian. Tailaga opinion no taila point of view gan amian sopanu hunilobo. Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah.
State government bra. Itu tan order issue gurishe ki government servants kan kun vaccine nalobo itu tan la salary do withhold tira kibo. To tade apni la view point to kies.
Well, good evening everybody and special to NLTV. Yes, every state has their own prerogatives. Also, the central also has their own prerogatives of giving guidelines on whatever. But India is a democratic country. So, Amikan Janival Lage in the democratic country setup, dictatorial kind of or an autocratic cannot be overruled. And there cannot be any forceful dictate over any citizen. Every human being has their own right. And the right should be acknowledged and the right should be taken in consideration. So what I could see that enforcing such kind of a harsh rule, aro sob manike vaccination noloile tangkha nadibo salary nadibo goto itu olop biya hoishone ki amar babna to itu to le bhal nai kile even the Supreme Court has not made it mandatory, and even for that to say the Minister of Health also has not made it mandatory. So I would say that why only Nagaland is trying to hike up this kind of a gimmick, I would say that. What could be the reason? Is there some propaganda in relation to this program, the COVID? Because even Manipur state also has given a direct guidelines that it is not mandatory. So I feel that it should not be mandatory. And I would say that we are not inciting anybody. But if at all it is made mandatory, let us assume, or not made mandatory, I would like to debate on this two issue, and that is one thing is that if it's made mandatory, if somebody dies of COVID, are the government going to take the risk of it, number one? And if it is not made mandatory, they say that every 15 days, amikan swab test lobo lage. Or let us say that swab test has been taken for, let us say, it's 800 rupees, Kobi. Or 800 rupees, say, 1,20,000 approximately government servant. We're talking about government servant, let us say. It takes in 15 days. 15 days, 800 into 1,20,000 is coming to above 9 crores. So 9 crores, 15 days into multiples of 2 is coming to nearly 18 crores. So who is going to bear the cost of free swab test? Or do they want them to buy that also? So that is, I do not know where the guidelines falls about. So I feel that, and if at all, government servant khali ekla na hoy, aro teachers khan ki bhi iniga koigena ase ki school teachers, college teachers should mandatorily put in also the vaccination. What will happen if they don't put? And every 15 days, who's going to come and check the swab test over here? So this is going to be a big problem. So I feel that we have to think about it second time, and government has to seriously ponder. And before passing actually any rules, they should ponder. Tan bhal brainstorming kurbo lage o. Khali any ki bhabe monde any direct any bhoigena over maybe over a cup of tea or coffee, probably they're sitting down and just passing laws, you know. They're not brainstorming. This is not the way how a democratic country should rule. Even North Korea, which is a very dictatorial, one of the most in the entire century, you could see that, okay? Iman kara country, taibi iman tok to nukure bola, amar bhavna do. Let us think twice, yeah.
Amian social media platform kan saile do youths kan especially tan comment go dage ki itia do government kan brabi din de ki khobo lage itu bi kobo nishna ase enga goi dage na so like what is your message especially to the youth when it comes to choosing a right leader?
See, a right leader is an essence of everything. As I had said earlier also, I would like to say that Nagaland has, let us say, approximately 20 lakhs population. So out of 20 lakhs, let us say now we are hearing the latest news last night saying that the entire NPF also has merged in, right, with the present government, and there's going to be opposition-less government. So let us assume that the 60 people are going to be running the country, which we have no problem, okay, if they fit in fine. But imagine, not if we take 20 lakhs, 60 people percentage coming to hardly 0.003. So 0.003% is going to rule the entire Nagaland. But the public has chosen them, so that thinking in mind that they're going to do something great for the public. So I hope it is not for the selfish ends that they're doing something. I hope they're going to reach out. Or itu 60 manudole, 60 MLAs or ministers and whoever, I think they're going to reach out to the people. Or Amar Bhavna dole, yes, floating population Nagaland bishi asade. So for floating population kan bishi manudole Aadhaar card nai, voting card nai, driving license nai. Bishi to nai de. To kiniga vaccine maribo itu. Itu bhabishne bhaba nai government to. Aro iman compulsory kure ase. तो तहांला घोड़े सब्जी भात खाना हाथ होले बिशु तोले वैक्सीन नमराला हाथ पर आई आसो तो तहां इतु कारण के भाबी आसी तो और those are daily wage earners, so they are just thinking that scoring them free, the daily wage owners who cannot even have the daily bread, rasta de footpath te घुमाया से railway station जाबी कुछ बस बिशी जगह ते बस्ती थी भी निकाल दे बात ना खाए ना भूया से तहां काम नाय lockdown हुई के ना से. How can they survive, you know? Some are surviving with thela, some are surviving with rickshaw, some are on daily wage, so many things, you know. So I feel government should think something more new, you know, and think for the people, not only for themselves. Yeah.
Coming back to school reopening. Apni la opinion de ite school khula do le do thik ase?
See, running of the school is not a problem, because I would say that the most disciplined of all, I mean, in Nagaland or wherever, are the school children, okay? Nobody, I don't think so, even a police is as disciplined as school children. So I would say that if school is open, yes, the teachers and the mentors and everybody, all the school institute, I know they are all well groomed, they are well disciplined, they are people with integrity, they have principle in life, you know, and they want to bring up the kid for the future. So obviously they all follow the protocol of SOPs, and we are the most, I will say, the respected in one way the private school, because we are doing so much for the next generation. But there are a lot of finger pointing. That's the saddest part we are having, you know. So I feel that yes, if schools are open, there's not going to be any problem. I could see that the schools are not open, but I can see the children freely roaming around with the parents. Bojarde jaya se, kot bira se, town de, gari loikena bira se. Itu to nohini ke. To khali school de ke le label kura se. Itu to manu ke na shikai ke na purai ke na manu ke unpar gawa Hindi de ko na uneducated kurule munja se ne ki government to ita 2 saal hobole ase bacha school na jaye. No, nobody can replace a physical school, you know. Yes, Zoom we are doing so many other online PPT and so on, but that is not going to replace the normal studies. So I feel that I think people should be practical. All of Sopna bra uthi kena bhal bhabna guru de. Aro nijor bacha ase na nai ki jane tahando. Itu nijor bacha gane bhabibo lage. Nijor bacha to le bishi facility probably private tuition bhi diya sola ghorte hole bhi sob to na paribo to. So itu bra ami bhavna to le school to kholibo lage. What is there? If at all there has to be a viral infection, everybody would have got it. And this pandemic, nobody knows what's happening. Is it a man-made or is it the actual virus? Or efficacy of the COVID laga itu injection be bhalna ki jane. Nobody has given the guarantee till now, you know. And if somebody can give a guarantee, yes, then why not give vaccination for everybody? That is not a problem. But there is no guarantee till now. Yeah.
idu schools or colleges can khola bichite.
Yes.
So like, do you think the schools can, like, pretend these SOPs and maintain these protocols measures?
Yes, obviously, yeah. The schools are the best, as I said already. We are well disciplined and well groomed in many aspects. Sorry to say, there are many schools, especially run by the government. Not all, okay. Government schools also, I've seen there are a lot of government schools who are very well disciplined. The teachers are so good, but many, I would say, in general, they are not following proper SOPs and all that. And I was told that they are not even started the online classes. I would appreciate the government colleges. They are doing very well, I would say, compared to the government schools. But yes, if at all the schools are to be open, Amikando ready ase, and every schools are only thinking for the next generation. We are not thinking for ourselves, Actually, schools don't earn much. Schools are ekdam minor as a meager amount. I would say that school compared to government school or private schools, government schools approximately they're getting 1 lakh per child per annum, exalde. So, it 1 lakh to kiniga fee regular to free textbook by khana pavo lage, free midday meal, holibi paine na pai na jane, uniform pavo lage, or tuition fee, to some 1 lakh asudo approximately we have found out. But private school charges only 10,000 at an average per 1 year. 10,000 bro amikan chola ase 1 year karne. So imagine what is the disparity. And look at the quality of education that they give. So private or edukan sale to amikan the quality education to we are giving far beyond, anything. Aro amikan sabole munjaro ekta to amikan laga bacha khan bharti pura khan ama baba khan bharti pura khan do fees to time ti dido tahan do aro bargain bi nokore aro itu porde bharti jadam de amikan laga ama baba khan to grumble bi nokore. So tahan dole ekdam bhal bra jaigana fee dibo on time aro paisa bi bishi ase bharti to holibi amikan la Nagaland school de fee do komti bi ase holibi bishi grumble kore ge bishi bagto aro bishi union khan bi ase de unnecessary giving trouble. Aro bishi union tole asol do itu kile digdar di ase gile tahan do asol do tahan nijor naam kama bole public te apni khan do ami khan la bacha karne ami khan karne khara kurchu do holi bi problem to na jane tahan asol do. So please, any union they are trying to what you call point finger on the private school, you please understand what problem we are also going through. We are giving a lot of concession that you have to understand that. Ami khan kiman concession dia ase. Amikan kiman amikan school, I mean every school in private school we have made a analysis and you come we'll give you in writing. Amikan sob dekhai dibo paribo. Aro itu khali nohegena private school khan do amikan parotok to parents kai modot kore aro bishi parents tole 2-3 saal bi paisa dia na de to itu kun dibole ase khali paper de likhe ki concession dibi nohole ekdam ultimatum bi dibo eniga na ame jo hasibole kotha ase de. So, do not make your organization as the platform for your success, okay, without understanding the real issue of what private school is actually doing. If the private school in Nagaland has to close down, I tell you, we will have no more education and all will become a nation, a state where we have no backbone. So, I would say that please think twice. Yeah.
Okay, so like teachers or any staff can maybe non-teaching staff can maybe tando vaccine lobo gona idu mandatory panai dishe to amian saile do sob teachers can do itadak pi vaccine naluna bi thagebo to mon covid shield saile do first dose lo biste like minimum 2 months biste second dose lo aro sputnik saile do like first dose lo biste like 24 days na biste second dose lo to in your opinion are the students at safe hands?
See, I don't know what is wrong with all our, I don't know, from top to bottom, I don't know where to finger point. It's not good to finger point, and it's not good to say bad thing about people. But what is the reality? So, usa ko bola gitu. So, ami sadole pila COVID shield, right? Which had come in the beginning, right? The efficacy was said that we have to take the second dose within 21 days or 24 days. So, suddenly they made it to 2.5 months. What could be the reason, right? Is it because there was a shortage of vaccine? Or is it because there's some conspiracy behind? I do not know, because every shelf life is there. The vaccine has to be a duration of time is there for every vaccination, okay? Then why the Sputnik is they made it a second dose in 21 days. I mean, there's something wrong. And if something happens to the public, those who have taken the second dose very long, or those who have taken earlier, okay, within a short term, who's going to take the responsibility? Government should take this responsibility, be it state or be it central, because they're playing with the life of the people, you know. And if anything happens, the public should come up. And I would suggest to the government schools or the government servants or any of them, do not let one or two organizations fight and stand for you, you know. Amikhan naga manu nole nagle nole ko to be na skun bin kharana gurde manu organization ke hi tumi khan khara gurbi tumi khani amikhan la voice kurbi aru amikhan naam biya pabo aru apni khan da chupchap thakibo etu bhal nai to nijor laga department te apni khan khara gurubo lage apni khan sob milibi aru kobi yes jhagara koribi ko ano hoy ha holibi apni khan petition likhibi aru court te holibi jabi. This is not the way. How can they stop you your salary for by not putting vaccination? I mean, this is something ridiculous. I would say that. I think all citizens, God has given us the wisdom. God has given us equal brain. So I will say to all the public, please arise and fight for your own rights. Do not let somebody fight, keep on fighting. Yes, we will do for the right thing, but how long can we do? Because we also get a lot of criticism, you know, by doing so. Yeah.
Okay, lastly,
yeah.
Idu itadak tuiledo 18 years and below do vaccine ayane.
Yeah.
To ahya bichide.
Yes.
Idu, do you think that students should also get vaccinated for attending your classes?
See, till now, yes, below the age of 18, they have not mentioned anything, whether they should be vaccinated or not, or they have not mentioned, they have not given us the proper guidelines. But now, above 18 is given. So, but many people are still apprehensive, you know. Even in abroad, when we see a lot of news, many are apprehensive because this drug has not been proven 100% guarantee, you know. So, speculations are there. And then we have to give freedom to the people to take or not to take, you know. And then we cannot force upon people and then to take this such kind of a vaccine. And yes, we can see that the rate of COVID has really come down, I would say, to many extent. Yes, obviously, there may be a third wave or fourth wave or whatever wave they may say. But I do not think so, like if at all people have a proper SOPs and following the guidelines of hygienic condition, I think it's going to do good. But wearing a mask, for my just my practical, okay? If I'm going to wear a mask in a day, 24 hours, just say 12 hours, I'm going to wear a mask. Just imagine I'm taking my own air inside the carbon monoxide, I'm taking inside the air which I'm breathing out. So obviously it's going to be unhealthy for me, you know. So fresh air is always better than adulterated air. So there's also a lot of things that we need to understand. In just a layman's word, I would say that. Holibi paratuk to, yes, what is good for the public, we all should do. Okay, we are not standing against any government, anybody, but we say that what is good, but don't force upon people. That's what I would like to say. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your opinion as well.
Yeah.
I really appreciate that.
Okay.
Thank you so much for staying with us. Follow up Kurtakibi Nagaland TV for more news updates, for news stories and entertainment. Thank you.
Yeah.